What's up everyone, and welcome back to another awesome episode of JDM for All. I thought I would do a quick video just to show you guys pretty much I'm installing hood spacers on this Honda Civic. We just installed an intake. That video is probably up right now as you're watching this video, and here's the hood spacers that I actually purchased. I purchased these on Amazon, and I believe they were like $12. Nothing crazy. I guess the brand is JDM Speed, and I believe they were $12. Uses an Allen wrench, an Allen key to tighten these bolts. But hopefully this fits great, guys. I saw the reviews, and there were newer Civics and older Civics using these. So yeah, this is going to be great, guys. So let's get started. Pop the hood. All I have to do is lift it up right now, and then we'll start. All right, so first we have to loosen up these two bolts. There's two bolts on both sides, and this is a 10mm, and this should work. Yeah, this is gonna work. So I'm going to loosen these up. Basically, we're going to take off all four of these bolts, and then I'm going to install one of these hood spacers one at a time and get it done. Okay, so we have basically two of the bolts out, two of the bolts barely holding on. So this is how they are supposed to go in with the bolt right here. It's basically just gonna go in like that. It looks really nice. These are definitely not aluminum, but I guess I can't expect that from something pretty cheap. But these are pretty heavy. These definitely are aluminum though. Okay, so we're gonna install them right now, just like that. Okay, so they are basically in right now, and they are already looking really good. Oh no, we just lost the bolt. They're looking really good. I had these on my red 95 Civic, and they didn't look as good as these. They were actually the cheaper ones, which are basically spacers with a space in the middle. This one is looking really good. I'm just going to hand tighten these, make sure that they are pretty tight. Yeah, these are pretty tight. All right, we're done with one side, guys. Alright guys, so it is all done. That was pretty easy. I didn't expect anything crazy, and I'm definitely happy with these hood spacers. So I'm going to close it right now, show you guys what it looks like, and it should look really good. So these aren't only for looks. When you close your hood, it will have a space, but these are not just for looks. They actually will let heat out of the back, air out of the back. They actually let cool air into the engine bay a lot more. And they really do work. If you actually put your hand at the back when it's closed, you can feel heat coming out. They work great on my my last Civic, on my red 95 Civic, and they should work really good with this, and that's good because summer's coming. It's going to be hot here, and hopefully they do the trick. All right, so it is done, guys, and check this out. Oh yeah, race car. Just kidding, but cold car. This car is going to run so much cooler, and it's going to let a lot more heat out. Basically, this works just like a hood vent. And look, you can actually see the hood spacer in there. I'm not sure if you could see it. Let me see. Yeah, there it is, right there. Yeah, that's awesome. That is definitely awesome. So this is definitely a cool look, but not only that, guys, it is functional. It will work great. And when I wrap this hood with some Vivid Tech Art vinyl or whatever I wrap it with, it's going to look even cooler with these hood spacers. But that looks great, guys. I am definitely happy about this. For $12, you can't go wrong. It's functional, it looks great, and it is definitely affordable. So yeah, if you guys want to do some cheap, easy mods to your car, this is definitely one of them. Make sure that you do have someone to help you. Otherwise, you have to really be careful because you can hit the corners of this hood on the windshield and crack it, or maybe damage the windshield wiper cowl. I don't know. But yeah, guys, it's a great look, and it is definitely affordable. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for making it this far. If you haven't already, please do not forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.